Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's video is going to be 7 different job leads that are hiring right now in 2024, all in the healthcare field. We have some phone customer service type work. We also have some non-phone billing type positions, things like that. Hopefully a little bit of something for everyone. But real quickly, before we dive in, I have not done my spiel in quite a while, but I've noticed that I have new viewers, and so I just want to quickly say, welcome. This channel is all about searching the internet and all of the job boards available daily, looking for the best work from home jobs that are hiring right now and bringing them to you on a daily basis. I make videos daily about job leads that are hiring, and all the links to all the jobs that are shown can be found on my website, and that link to that website page is directly in the YouTube description box below this video. So if you don't want to miss out on any remote work from home jobs that are hiring, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. And of course, if you enjoy job leads like this, please let me know by giving me that direct feedback. You can give this video a thumbs up, like button, or leave something in the comments. I do my best to research these jobs, look at the Glassdoor pages, and make sure they are scam-free, legitimate companies before sharing. But as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. But without wasting any more time, first up in the healthcare field, we have the company Skygen USA. They have 95 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an authorization support representative. This is going to be remote for the United States. All of these 7 positions that I'm sharing are remote work from home for the United States only. Now, this specific one is looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. They're looking for somebody to maintain accurate and detailed notes in their system of the work performed and other appropriate documents and spreadsheets. You'll be making outbound phone calls, contacting providers' offices. Sometimes you'll have to do that through written communication, just trying to obtain any missing clinical information that you need to get the pre-authorization from the insurance company. You'll provide administrative support by performing various duties like pulling information from audits, entering denial reasons and authorization schedules into the system, just modifying those authorizations as required and requested. So you'll respond to questions for customers as needed. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of experience in some kind of administrative role, office, something like that. They prefer you to work in a dentist office. Somebody who has great computer skills, can use those Microsoft Office system, and has a problem solving and decision making skills. Pay for this position ranges from $38,027 a year all the way up to $57,041 a year, with the midpoint being about $47,534. And in my experience as a hiring manager in the healthcare field, as long as you have the required experience, they'll probably try to start you out at that midpoint. Moving right along, though, next up we have the company Spring Health. They have 216 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a member benefits coordinator. So basically, you'll be responsible for insurance verification and eligibility of all of their members. So you're going to do member outreach, communicate costs based on their insurance coverage and benefits, setting up payment plan options, or collecting any copays, deductibles from the members when needed, handling all of this protected health information under the HIPAA policies and guidelines. So basically, you're going to get insurance from them. You're going to check the insurance either online or calling the insurance company, verifying that they are covered for their benefits and how much coverage they actually have. So if they are going to have copays or deductibles due, you'll then call the member, let them know that, and get the payment from them. Then all you got to worry about after the patient is seen is billing the insurance and getting the insurance portion. Now, they don't require any college degree either, just 2 years of experience in some kind of behavioral health or medical field, someone who has great customer service skills, someone who is tech savvy, and somebody who can multitask and switch what you're doing doing very quickly. Pay for this position is anywhere from $24 an hour all the way up to $29.69 an hour. Now, next up, we have the company Health Advocate. They have 316 reviews on Glassdoor. An overall employee satisfaction rating is a little bit lower. It comes in the middle of 2.7 out of 5 stars. So some people love them, some people hate them. So if you're interested in this position, just come to their Glassdoor page and read their reviews. But they are looking for a customer care associate. They are looking for somebody to work normal business hours. Their shifts can vary. Their operating hours are 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but they're looking for somebody to answer incoming calls regarding healthcare questions from the members. So you'll be friendly and courteous, just verifying and collecting the member demographics and updating them in the system as needed. Demographics are things like patient name, date of birth, address, insurance information, all of that. You'll manage tasks that need follow-up per policies within a timely manner, just performing all duties as assigned. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED too, someone who has great customer service skills, great communication skills, and again, somebody who can problem solve and be a multitasker. Pay for this position is $16 an hour. If you're interested in more billing and follow-up when the insurance company denies, this next one might be for you. The company is Trinity Health. They have 1,800 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a billing and follow-up representative for their hospital billing department. Pay for this position ranges anywhere from $18.46 an hour up to $27.69 an hour. But you'll perform daily activities as part of the billing and follow-up team for their revenue cycle process. This means you'll document in the system claims billed, paid, and settled, and follow up on any claims by the insurance company that have not been paid. So you'll communicate with the hospital departments as needed. If any billing discrepancies are found, you will obtain demographic and clinical information for the patients, just performing all follow-ups on overpayments, underpayments, credit balances, and payment delays. So the claim is basically billed out to the insurance company, and if the insurance doesn't pay it, you've got to kind of be the researcher and investigator, find out why, and see if there's anything you can do to correct anything, send the claim back to the insurance company to get that payment. They're only requiring somebody who has a high school diploma, although they prefer an associate's degree, and someone who has 3 years of relevant knowledge of like billing or revenue cycle functions, someone who's kind of worked in healthcare before. You got to know those computer systems, Microsoft Office, Outlook for email, things like that. Have great communication skills and great attention to detail. Now would be a great time to stop and ask if you are interested in working in the healthcare field. Leave it down in the comments below. Let me know specifically what type of healthcare positions you're looking for. Are you looking for customer service? Are you looking for more billing and follow-up? Non-phone, as long as you're in the healthcare field, you don't care. Just let me know down below. But of course, moving right along, next up we have the company Fresenius, I hope I'm saying that right, Medical Center. They have 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote healthcare credits representative. So basically, this position is identifying, analyzing, and resolving credit balances on the accounts within the assigned accounts and portfolio that you're given. You'll work these credit balances to resolution by identifying the type of credit and taking the appropriate action to resolve. Just doing research, identifying, analyzing, refund requests from commercial, government, insurance payers, things like that. You'll submit cash corrections and adjustments in the system as needed to correct those credit balances, performing insurance verifications when needed to resolve COB or coordination of benefit issues. So basically, a credit balance on the account is just that. It's when the account has been taken into the negative. So say the insurance company was billed for $200. Say the insurance company paid $150 of that, and then the Patient came and paid $100. Now you have $250 worth of payments applied to an account that only originally started as $200 in charges. So somebody has overpaid more than needed to on this account. So then you got to research who was responsible for the payment. Do you refund the patient? Do you refund the insurance? What happens there? That's what a credit rep is. They're looking for somebody who's a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 2 years of some kind of experience in the medical field or insurance collections, someone who's good with computers, someone who is analytical and organizational skills, good time management skills, and of course, great communication skills. Now, unfortunately for this position, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. I did try to research it a little bit on Glassdoor to see if I could find an estimate for you, and Glassdoor's website was not working for me at the moment. So moving right along, next up we have the company ExamWorks. I've shared this company multiple times on this channel before. They always are hiring for different work from home positions. They have 394 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 2.9 out of 5 stars. And right now, they are looking for a conditionals payment specialist. Now, it does say this is a remote work from home position, but they're looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And they're basically looking for somebody to evaluate Medicare conditional payment letters, working with the clients to make sure that the Medicare dispute or appeal process is successful. So you're going to review these payment letters and notices from Medicare and determine the appropriate course of action, providing claims appropriate recommendations to clients. You'll triage the conditional payment upon receipt, making clear, concise disputes or appeals on behalf of the client. So you'll send medical records or extra information to Medicare, just trying to dispute what they are saying, and you'll document all the systems and emails and notes as needed. They are only looking for somebody who's 1 to 3 years of administrative clerical experience, someone who can work multiple software computer systems like Microsoft Office, Excel, work the internet, someone who has great communication skills, and somebody who can work independently. Now, it is a plus if you have Medicare experience, but it is not required. And again, pay was not listed for this one. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And last but not least, we have the company Zotec Partners coming in at 214 reviews and an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote AR specialist. This is going to be like another billing and follow-up type position. You'll follow up on claims, rejections, and denials, researching with the insurance company why they didn't pay, identifying any billing issues, just communicating anything with the insurance companies for outstanding claims, getting that information and changing things, resending them back out, trying to just collect payment on all claims that the insurance rejected or denied. You'll follow up on appeals, sending medical records, things like that, just resolving all correspondence issues with insurance carriers. Again, they only require a high school diploma or GED, no college degree. I try to get a lot of positions that don't require that. They are looking for somebody, though, who has some kind of AR follow-up experience, someone who can research, analyze, and interpret medical billing, documentation, and data. Of course, you've got to know those Microsoft Office systems, be proficient in using a computer, and have critical thinking and problem-solving skills. And unfortunately, this one did not list pay either. Again, discuss that with them at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those, and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.